Hi, I'm Dr. Candace Hrelec. I'm a laryngologist at First Physicians Group. My specialty is part of otolaryngology. The easy word for that is an E.N.T. And I subspecialize in laryngology, or the voice, airway, and swallowing portion of it. My patients can expect me to spend as much time as they need, understand what they are feeling, to be able to talk through and help them understand my thought process on what's going on, and to be able to explain it to them in a way that they will understand. And so I want every patient to be heard and every patient to be listened to, and to be able to bring back someone's quality of life, give them their voice back, give them their breathing back. That to me is so special. And so that's really what makes me motivated to walk into work every day and to be able to help patients.